Hello. Today I'll be making Taiwanese popcorn chicken, also known as wok and kin. I've never made chicken before, so I don't really know how to make this. We'll try anyway. That's what makes it fun. But yeah. Although I am missing one. I don't have chicken. I don't have chicken. Okay, found some chicken. Found these. I think I'm gonna start marinating now, so I'm gonna get a thing to marinate in, maybe flour or bowl. Okay, so the recipe I found online did say to marinate it with soy sauce and garlic, so I have those now. Yo, that actually tastes pretty good.